Welcome back to another 3D modeling and coding tutorial. Today, we are diving into step-to-STL conversion using Google Colab with just a few lines of Python. First, we need to install the CAD query library, which allows us to handle step files efficiently. This imports the CAD query library, which is a Python-based CAD modeling framework used for working with step and STL files. It is used for uploading the step file and downloading the converted STL file. Next, we need to upload our step file. This can be done using Google Colab's file upload function. This defines file path. This reads the 3D model data and prepares it for further processing. File path for export. We convert the extracted shell into an STL file. It shows file status. It will be downloaded automatically. It displays error. Let's load the step file. Choose File. STL is converted successfully. Next, we will import this STL file and check it in FreeCAD. You can see that the outer skin has been created properly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more 3D modeling and coding content.